So the first technique I would like you to consider if you want to forget is forgive. Not just forgive others, but forgive yourself also. Don't be too hard. Whatever was there was there. You can't do anything about it. No one can do anything about it. No matter how much you hold on to something, no matter how many times you revisit the past, no matter how much you want that to change, whatever has happened cannot change. That's the truth. Whatever can happen now, that may change. But whatever has happened cannot change. And for that, forgiveness is really, really important. You have to cut cord, because the more cords you have with the past, the more resistance you will feel moving forward. So imagine yourself, each time you have a painful memory or something that you want to revisit, as you holding a string, or that you are connected to that memory with a string or rope, because ropes are stronger, right? And if you want to move forward, you have to let it go, let the rope go slowly, little by little, or completely in order to move forward. You can't just hold to the rope, hold on to that rope tightly and move forward. It won't happen. It will stop you from moving forward. And you know what? Another aspect, the psychological aspect of that is, and that is experiment that is done by science also. So if you take an animal, right, and if you, and apologies to animal lovers, it may sound a little different to some people or cruel to some people, but if you take an animal and you tie a rope in that animal's neck and tie with some hook or someplace, some pole or something, and you keep doing that for some time, for days or months or something, after some time, if you remove the knot from the pole, not from the neck of this rope, the animal will think that he's still tied, he or she. The animal is still tied with that pole. And whatever the circumference of that rope, how far the animal could go when the animal is tied with the rope, or rope is tied with the pole, that is how far that animal will go. Because animal thinks that rope is tied and I can't go any further, even the rope is loose. And that's what happens with our memories as well. We think we can't do. And many times it is not the other end holding you, it is your end that is holding you back. And when I say you forgive, it is basically untying that knot. And I don't know how much of forgiveness you understand. If you really deeply forgive someone, you will see it is so lightning for you, and not by lightning in the sense, not a lightning in the sky, but it brings so much of lightness in you, basically, as if a lot of weight has been put off or taken away from you. In spiritual circle, if you talk to people who are spiritual, they'll say forgiveness is the best action anyone can do. In our Sanatan Dharma, there's a saying, something that you can give, forgiveness is the best thing you can give.